Here we are in the Devil's Glen, and this is a very beautiful old woodland. Coillte Nature is restoring this as part of its biodiversity brief, and so restoration is the theme here. The Vartry River runs through this woodland, and the Vartry is a very important sea trout fishery. Along the banks of the Vartry here, we have some old, probably ancient woodland. And by that I mean woodland that's been here since at least 1600. However, there are some serious threats to this woodland in terms of invasive species, particularly from cherry laurel. So it's really important that we tackle these problems because they are spreading very rapidly and are preventing the regeneration of the native woodland flora. We also have some non-native conifers that were underplanted here back in the 50s, 60s and 70s. Things like Sitka spruce, Douglas fir, western hemlock, and some of them, particularly beside the ancient woodland or the old woodland, they'll be removed, whereas in other parts of the woodland they'll be gradually transformed to native woodland under what's called continuous cover forestry. It's a very high amenity woodland. We have a lot of people coming here, and it's important that we engage the local community in what we're doing and involve them where possible. We're working very closely as well with Inland Fisheries Ireland in terms of some restoration works in the stream to enhance the sea trout habitat. Some of those initiatives include bringing gravel in for spawning and depositing in the river. The reason that Inland Fisheries want to do this is because there's a dam at the top of the Vartry system because of the water supply, and that dam prevents the natural movement of gravel from the top of the system to the bottom. So the fish have few places to spawn in the river as a result, especially in the section through the wood here. The other operation we will be doing here is felling trees into the river, which helps to create territories for the fish in stream. National Parks and Wildlife have also been here with us, and they're very happy to see that we're going to restore the woodland and clear the invasive species that are in it. It's now very important through woodland walks like today for National Biodiversity Week to engage with the local people here and so on and inform them as to what our plans are.